Today we're going to be working on sewing circles. So just like with your straight lines and your pivots, you're going to start with your needle down and your two threads on the back and on the top of your paper, and you're going to have your presser foot down. So first I'm going to go a couple stitches forward, and then I'm going to go a couple stitches backwards. Next, I want to go in small little movements forward, not like that, and I want to make sure that that line stays in between the 2 feet of the presser foot. Once I get to this part where if I go straight, I'm not going to be on the line, you're going to want to lift your presser foot just like you did with your pivots. You're going to move the paper just slightly so that it's in between the 2 feet of your presser foot. You're going to keep going straight in little increments, making sure that each time you lift your presser foot, the needle is down, because if the needle's up, that means you're going to make a bubble with your thread. So you're going to keep going in small sessions. See, my needle is down before I move the paper, and you're going to keep going in a circle. See how my needle is up, but I need to move my paper, so I need to put my needle down, lift my presser foot, and then put the presser foot back down before I start sewing again. So I need to go a little bit at a time, lift and turn. This is one of the most tedious ones that you're going to sew, but it's important that you know this because it comes up multiple times when you're doing your hat. So I'm going to keep lifting up and drop my presser foot and go straight until I need to turn again, just like that, and then keep going. Again, I'm going to put my presser foot down and turn. There we go. I'm on my black line, and I'm going to turn. Put my presser foot down, lift all the way until I get to the end. I'm back at the start, so now I'm going to back stitch again and then go forward in order to make that knot. And then I'm going to lift, make sure that my take-up lever is up, and then pull to the side.